Hi, my name is Eddie Garza. I'm the street superintendent for the city of McKinney. We take care of all the concrete, asphalt needs for the city, including some of the sidewalks and some of the areas that are inside of our right-of-way. The streets department normally will have a long list of areas where they have to repair, and we have these set on priority. So they do have a handful, and usually if it's good weather, they're working. When it's bad weather, our next job is to do debris cleanup. It could be from floods, or it could be from storms that go by, or it could even be ice storms too as well, or snow. And so our division also takes care of all the bridges, the overpasses in our jurisdiction. Some of the things that are outside of the norm, what we do is we close down a lot of roads for special events. So when we have special events, we try to keep everybody safe, and we use all the safety precautions possible. So that's one of the things you'll see us, well, we're putting out road signs, roadblocks, things like this to help out with events. We also will help out with emergencies. We have a group of on-call guys that respond to emergencies in the middle of the night. During the day, then it's us, and we will take care of any kind of a emergency that police department or fire department might have in blocking roadways. And having main highways like 75 and 380, we do have quite a bit of accidents, and they're required to reroute traffic and things like this. So we help them out with that too. So that's something sometimes you don't see that our department does. Our goal for our department is to keep all the residents happy as much as possible. And our level of service that we provide is something that we pride ourselves in, and trying to take care of things as quick as possible at a most efficient way. For more information or to report a problem with our streets, please visit our city website.